For here, I'm going to do the second one. So again, you just add the powder, you mix it on the water, and then you add some of the greenery, doing the same thing as I did for the last one. And then I'm going to use more roses. These are so beautiful and so fresh. The tips of the roses are great. They don't, you know, they don't die very quickly at all. And the flowers are supposed to last about 1 to 2 weeks. So that is wonderful. That can last a long time instead of just a day. So here I'm just incorporating the blush roses and then just kind of playing with the height and the angles of the teapot here. I always turn my teapot as I'm working on this, so that way I know where the roses are and where I want to place them. And then I'm going to add the filler flowers as well. And this is just how I create my own flower arrangements. Definitely, I'm not a professional florist or anything like that. This is just how I created the ones for my wedding and how I make them for my house too. So now you can see them both here. They're absolutely stunning, and these are perfect to add for any wedding reception table, even decoration for any other type of parties, anniversary, baby shower. Again, I use these a lot in my own home decor. I absolutely love them.